Now, that's a criminal case probe into those involved in the corruption scandal. On the impeachment motion against President Park Geun-hye that's currently under review at the Constitutional Court of Korea, the top court is set to hold a preparatory hearing tomorrow, the second of its kind, with the possibility of another one before launching the actual trial next week. Our Song Ji-sun gives us a heads up on what's to come.
The Constitutional Court said it will wrap up a round of preparatory hearings for the impeachment motion against President Park Geun-hye this week before opening the trial proceedings next week. At a preparatory hearing scheduled for Tuesday, the second one so far, the court will examine evidence and determine whether another preparatory hearing is necessary before the trial begins. During the first preparatory hearing last Thursday, the court asked the president to submit a thorough account of her whereabouts during the 7 hours she was out of the public eye on the day of the Seoul ferry disaster 2 years ago. They also asked for a list of her activities, both official and private, including any reports received and directions she gave. The presidential office and her attorneys are busy fulfilling that request, but it is unclear whether they'll be able to submit the documents by Tuesday. The prosecution also submitted its investigation records to the Constitutional Court as per the court's request. The president's attorneys had argued that it wasn't permissible for the court to request documents related to an ongoing investigation, but the court dismissed their appeal. And in a bid to expedite the deliberation process, which could last up to 6 months, the court, at the first hearing, sorted the 13 charges against the president in the impeachment motion into 5 categories, from breach of right to life to abuse of authority. Song Ji-sun, Arirang News.